Apple's iPhone 15 range is likely to have bigger batteries and a new USB-C port, which might contribute to longer iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro battery life as well as quicker charging. The introduction of new battery technology, which will increase the battery capacity of iPhone 15 models, will be one of the largest jumps in the iPhone 15 series. According to a tip, cider improvements, stacked batter manufacturing process similar to what is used in electric cars will be coming in iPhone 15 series. As a consequence, it will assist to enhance battery. According to reports, the iPhone 15 based model will have the largest battery jump, 18%, with a battery capacity of 3,877 mAh, while the iPhone 15 Plus will have a battery capacity of 4,912 mAh, a 14% jump, while the iPhone 15 Pro will have a 14% battery jump and a battery capacity of 3,650 mAh, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max will have a 12% battery jump and a battery capacity of 4,852 mAh. If the battery size increase rumor is true, we may anticipate at least a corresponding boost in phone battery life, as well as a more efficient Apple A17 chipset and a newer OLED display generation to supplement the battery size increase advantages. This is a significant battery jump, but we must consider the device's weight and dimensions. It is fairly evident that we will see a thicker device, which in my view might make the device a bit heavier due to stack-up battery tech, and the second significant update will be the debut of USB-C. Serious experts now believe that all phones, including Apple's 2023 range, will use a new USB-C port with power supply capabilities, rather than the aging Lightning port. Also, with the introduction of the USB-C port on the iPhone 15 series, Apple will have all of the infrastructure in place for faster charging. It will enable Apple to officially raise the 20-watt charging speed of the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max to the higher 27-watt or 29-watt charging peak. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.